nothing inside. We have egg, scissors, and a bowl, hot glue, tape, and a stick, and a sharpener, and twine. Mommy's coming.
I'm going to teach you on how to make the egg like this. Right? What we need to do
Put
is,
tape.
and then so you make
An X.
tape would help hold the egg. It doesn't crack all the way. Use this
To make a hole.
push
But
a
you
little
need
bit.
to ask adults to help.
Yes,
Because
exactly.
that tool is very sharp.
Yes. See, so you create a wagon, and then
You need another hole.
you need another hole on the other side. So you need to have a tape again, so you can create the hole. What are going to do
Is peeling off the tape.
and then you're going to hold the other side here. Wait, poke it here so that the yolk and the egg white will break inside. So
Can I
keep
do
poking
that?
it. Okay, you poke first and then you shake
Tell me
it.
when to stop. This is
Shaking
taking
will be a lot.
forever.
Do not hold so tight that it will crush it. So and then next, you have to
Blow it.
blow it.
Nothing's getting out.
I'm gonna get another bowl for you, Bella.
Whoa! That's all of it. All of it.
I guess there's no more, Bella. We have to put water here. You shake it.
Is it enough?
Yeah, that's enough. Then you blow it. Oh, big thing came out.
Don't. Big.
I'll do the glue gun and then you do the rope. Yes? You just have to twist the rope. Insert it. And then you put glue in top.
Hi, so we're back. We're gonna color these eggs because we're done with the frame of it. And this is Jenna. She's our cousin. She's gonna draw eggs with us.
Color. Show me what you have.
I have a river, but there's orange sand. Sand that's orange.
What about you, Jonah?
Show me.
What's that?
That's I made.
That's yours? You made that?
It's called I made.
What about you, Bella? Show me
I
what you
made a girl.
That's cute.
What's a cute smiley face?
Let me see.
She's good at drawing smiley faces. It's a rainbow heart. Okay, this is the Pamberry rainbow fountain. And the other one is a girl. No break.
Oh no.
It broke.
We'll just put some
Look
glue
at
in it.
Jasmine's face. Broke and then we just tape it. There's a mommy's taping it. We finished it. We're gonna put it in this tree.
Okay, let's try to put it in the tree.
The mommy, can you just tie the other side?
And the tie in, and then you tie one more here.
Please like and subscribe. Bye.
Ba't ang ingay ng kulay nito? Uy, don't squash it.
You're gonna put like these more.